Hi guys, welcome back to my channel AptitudeXfood. I just got out of the shower, so my hair is still wet. Good morning. I recently woke up, so I will have some breakfast and I will actually try the nature cereal that got famous by Lizzo on TikTok, and it's pomegranates, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and we have some coconut water. I don't know, this is what I had, so this is what I got. So let me mix it. Let me mix it up and see what this is all about. So we have pomegranate. So let's just add some raspberries to that. Just a few. I'm not really sure how much I should add. Yeah, just a few. And some blueberries. And some strawberries. There we go. Oh, it's wet. So, and the only thing left now is to put some coconut water. Do I need to shake it? I don't think so. I don't think I need to shake it, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Just in case, you never know. So let me pour some. Okay, I think that's enough. Let's taste it. Let me get a little bit of everything. Alright. Here goes nothing. Oh wow. It tastes so fresh. I don't really get the creamy feeling. And I put everything in the fridge, so everything is cold. That's why I don't need ice actually. But this is actually very yummy. Some people say that it's just an unblended smoothie, but I don't agree to that. This tastes different. And when the pomegranates pop in your mouth, oh, that feeling. You find a lot of weird stuff on TikTok, but good stuff. But compared to other coconut water, I think, that I've tried, this one is very bland. You don't really get the creamy feeling that I've heard about, so it ran off. Let me just... much better. Did you have a good morning? Did you eat a healthy breakfast? My hair is all over the place, but I don't care really. It's not like someone is gonna see this, so doesn't matter. Nope. goes down very easily. This would be great a summer morning. Oh my god, that would be amazing. Let me add some more coconut water. Because I was kind of thirsty too. Let me show you this. I mean, oh my god, this is so amazing. The way it melts in your mouth. Just hallelujah. Delicious. And you do get full. At the same time, you kind of feel like you're eating sweets. So, win-win. I think if I would add pineapple to this, you would get a lot more punch to it, because right now it's kind of sweet and savory, but if you add, I think, pineapple, you will get a more sour. I think I love sour food. Not sour food, but sour candy. It's the sour candy. Yeah. I'm not leaving anything. So good. Last bite. It was amazing. Delicious, actually. Oh wow. Thank you for joining me today, and hope to see you soon. Bye.